Hello everybody, today I'm at Jalan Besar area. I'm walking to the Jalan Besar MRT. Along the way, see some special shops and the people and the vibes here. Let's go. Okay, there's a birthday food center right here, 2 levels. 7 p.m. right now on a weekday. What that's building? Koyuko building. There are quite a number of spas and massage right here opposite. Hey, they sell the toilet bowls. Toto. There's a new capsule hotel called Wing at Jalan Besar soft launch. Oh, that building looks nice. Now that advertisement looks good, right? BTO together. Own a quality home with housing grant, CPF saving, minimum cash payments. But then it's like the chance of getting BTO is really like based on luck. And it's always like the demand is more than a supply, so you may end up applying many times and paying $10 application for each time. So you may wish to consider resale HDB or even private condo in that case. Alright, safely arrived at SEA Jalan Besar and mission more or less completed, but let's take a look at the attractions nearby. So we have Sydney Tower, and I think it's not very complete because from here you can walk to Bugis. If you guys enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe so more people can find the video. Thanks very much. I will see you guys in the next video, and bye bye.